Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by grabbing the chat pop-out URL from your streaming platform and preparing OBS. Open OBS, create or select the scene where chat will live, then add a browser source. Name it clearly so you don't confuse it later. In the browser source properties, paste the chat URL, set width and height to match your overlay, and set FPS to 30. Once done, uncheck or disable background color if the option exists. That begins the path to transparency. Now you'll remove visible backgrounds using CSS and OBS settings. In the browser source, set custom CSS with body background, RGBA 0000, important, and hide any container elements that add padding or borders. Make sure Shutdown Source when not visible is off if you need persistent chat. Scale and position the source in the scene using the transform handles and lock it once placed. You're making the chat overlay finish by validating in a recording and live preview so you catch edge cases. Turn on OBS's browser source alpha if present, or use the display capture with chroma keyed background if needed. Test different chat amounts to ensure layout, font sizes, and message durations work. If messages don't show transparent, reload the browser source, clear its cache, and confirm the pop-out URL works in a normal browser. If issues persist, update OBS or switch renderer between Direct 3D and OpenGL and test again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.